अकड़ नहीं, झिझक नहीं, सिर्फ सीखो और शाइन। सप्तऋषि के साथ योर इंग्लिश विल बी फाइन। Hello everyone, welcome to Saptarishi School of Skill Development. I am Aniket Singh, your author and educationist, and आज हम हैं with the day 3 of Spoken English course. Today, let's check out what are we going to discuss. This is the phase 1. Phase 1 will be of 15 days as we have discussed it, and it's the day 3. In the day 3, we are going to discuss the basics. What are the basics? The basic lines in introduction. We are going to talk about the introduction. Then adding details to your basics, your introduction. Then practicing tips. We are going to give you some practicing tips. थोड़ा practice करेंगे साथ में. So how you can practice introducing yourself. Lastly, full introduction means we will add these 3 steps and we'll practice a little together. So this is the day 3. We have already discussed in day 1 what we have done, day 2, and now we are here with the day 3. If you haven't watched the day 1 and day 2, आपको जाके देखना चाहिए क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है और वहाँ से धीरे धीरे आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश बढ़ेगी अगर आप एक एक डे देखेंगे तो आज डे 3 में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं क्या? इंट्रोडक्शंस. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद इंट्रोडक्शंस. इंग्लिश इंट्रोडक्शन. हाउ कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ? पार्ट 1, द बेसिक्स. The basics, basic lines. Your name. अब basic lines बता रहा हूँ मैं. Your name, your age, your place, your school study place मतलब your residence, and closing lines. ठीक है? It's easy, really easy. Name तो सबको पता है. My name is, your name, Aniket Singh, my name. I am Aniket Singh, or you can call me Aniket Singh. Any sentence would work. These 3 sentences are really easy. So my name is, your name. I am, your name. You can call me. Okay, you just repeat after me so that you can practice. Just add your details. Then age. I am dash years old. You add your age. I just turned your age. Okay. Place means residence. I am from New Delhi, Mumbai. I belong to. All of these 3 sentences are right. You just need to add your residence name, like you live in Mumbai, you live in New Delhi, you live in India, whatever. Okay. Then school or study, where you study or what is your school. So I study at your school name. I am in class, your class. I go to dash school. Easy. Lastly, closing lines. Closing lines are a little complicated, but if you remember these, they will become easier. It was nice introducing myself. Thank you for listening. I am happy to be here. So after you introduce yourself in these 4 parts, then you can tell your closing lines. But if you want to sound more professional and familiar, तो आपके साथ अभी हम ऐड करेंगे डिटेल्स ऐड करना देखते हैं. यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, I hope. Now part 2, adding details किसमें? In your introduction. Let's move on. Now, what are we going to add in the details? First thing, hobby. क्या ऐड करेंगे? Hobby. My hobby is. Hobby क्या होते हैं? What you like to do, what you love to do daily basis, what you enjoy doing regularly. My hobby is cycling, reading, writing, etc. I love writing or I enjoy writing. I'm just taking an example, a dummy example of writing. You can add your hobbies, like my hobby is drawing, cycling, swimming, etc. I love writing. I enjoy writing. Both are right. In my free time, I like to write, or I like to cycle, I like to dance, I like to draw. Anything would work. So hobby means the activity you like to do, the side activity other than your main activities. Main activities in the sense your studies. Personality. Now what does personality mean? You can show your personality, how you are, your personality. What is your basic personality? I am happy, I am curious, I am hard-working person. This is your personality. How would you showcase yourself to the world? So you are a happy person, you are a curious person, you are always thinking about how this, how that. Okay. I am hardworking, I am hardworking person, I'm a hardworking person. You can add any of this. I'm a curious person, I'm a happy person, I'm a hardworking person, I'm an honest man, anything. I love meeting new people. So this is also kind of a personality that you like to explore new people. Okay. I always try my best. This is another sentence for hard working, right? So I always try my best. I never stop. I give my best in any work. Okay, so this was a personality. Really easy. Doesn't matter if you can't understand. You can rewatch this video और आपको धीरे धीरे समझ में आने लगेगा. Okay, clear? आगे बढ़ते हैं. Then school adding details. अब स्कूल और स्टडी के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था कि हम अपने स्कूल के नाम कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं, हमारा क्लास कैसे ऐड कर सकते हैं. Now we will talk about school adding details. अभी रुकिएगा, हम ये फिर से प्रैक्टिस करेंगे adding details, right? School adding details. My favorite subject is, थोड़ा ऐड करके, ठीक है. हमने पहले क्लास बताया, क्लास और उसके पहले हमने क्या बताया था, स्कूल का नाम बताया था, क्लास बताया, कौन से स्टैंडर्ड, वो सब बता दिया. अब हम सब्जेक्ट पे आ गए और थोड़ा डिटेल, ठीक है. सब्जेक्ट, आई लव डैश बिकॉज डैश. आई लव रीडिंग इंग्लिश बुक्स और आई लव द इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट because it is vast. Bas, that's easy. You can add anything. I like history because your reason. I like maths because your reason. My favorite teacher, that's a grammar mistake, typing error. My favorite teacher is dash sir ma'am. So you can tell my favorite teacher is your sir's name, your ma'am name. So you can add these details in school, your school life, your school personality, your school details. Okay, in introduction, right? बहुत आसान चीज है. Now hobby में हम थोड़ी add details करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? Details add करेंगे. आगे बढ़ते हैं. I draw every evening. I ride every evening. I ride my bicycle every evening. I dance every evening. I walk every evening. I jog every evening. कुछ भी. और morning भी कर सकते हो. I draw every morning. I paint every morning. I run every morning. I jog every morning. Anything would fit here. I have been dash since I was dash years old. I have been drawing since I was 5 years old or 10 years old. I have been cycling since I was 10 years old, for example. Okay? It makes me feel relaxed and happy. It makes me feel confident. So you can tell your feelings in this hobby part. Okay? अब practice करते हैं थोड़ा सा. Now, hobby. My hobby is, what's your hobby? आपको बस अपना हॉबी बताना है and you need to repeat with me. My hobby is, I'm taking example of writing. Okay, you need to just repeat after me with your hobby. Okay, my hobby is writing. I love writing. I enjoy writing. In my free time, I like to write. You can add your details. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Personality practice कर रहे हैं. I am happy person. I'm curious person. I'm hardworking person. I'm confident person. I'm an honest person. Anything. I'm a lazy person. वो भी काम करेगा. You're just telling about your personality. Okay. School adding details. School के बाद study के बारे में हमने पढ़ा था. अब उसमें थोड़ा details add करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? थोड़ा details add करेंगे. हमने school का नाम बता दिया. Practice की थी. Class का नाम बता दी. Practice किया था. अब हम देखेंगे subject. My favorite subject is बैगन. Okay, I love dash because dash. I love maths because I love enjoying or I enjoy solving problems. Easy. I love maths because I enjoy solving problems. Okay, you can add anything. I love history because I love to study about the past. Now, my favorite teacher is dash sir ma'am. Your favorite teacher is your sir, your ma'am, your sir ma'am's name. Okay. Now, hobby पढ़ा था कि my hobby is I love or enjoy doing this. In my free time I like to. हमने सिर्फ एक ही चीज बताई. यहाँ writing. But यहाँ I draw every evening. I'm telling when do I draw. ये छोटे लाइन से you just need to practice it. हम practicing tips भी बताएंगे. Okay, wait till the end. I have been dash since I was dash years old. I have been drawing since I was 10 years old. It makes me feel relaxed and happy. You can add it makes me feel confident. और negativeness भी आता है तो it makes me feel lazy. It makes me feel tired. Anything would work. Okay. Now we have discussed the part 2. Now here we are with the part 3. Very important, really important. बहुत important चीज़ है. क्या है? Practicing tips बताएंगे part 3 में. Practicing बहुत important है. क्यों important है? क्योंकि हमने तो देख लिया. अब क्या आपको याद है कि आपने क्या क्या देखा? हाँ, मैंने नेम देखा, एज देखा, आई सीन माई हॉबीज, I've seen my school and studies, personality, and so many things. But I don't remember any of the sentences. क्लोजिंग लाइन्स भी देखी थी, लेकिन उनके सेंटेंसेस अभी भी मुझे याद नहीं है. तो मैं क्या करूँगा? प्रैक्टिस करूँगा. ठीक. अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं, आपको थोड़ी प्रैक्टिसिंग टिप्स देने वाले हैं ताकि आप प्रैक्टिस कर पाए. ठीक, आराम से प्रैक्टिस कर पाए. कोई ज़्यादा आपको दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. मैं प्रैक्टिस कैसे करूँगा? फर्स्ट थिंग, मिरर प्रैक्टिसिंग. बेस्ट वे ऑफ प्रैक्टिसिंग, बेस्ट वे. क्यों मिरर प्रैक्टिसिंग बेस्ट है? क्योंकि आप मिरर में देखते हैं, आपको कौन दिखता है? शेडो तो दिखता नहीं है, आत्मा तो दिखती नहीं है, आपके मम्मी पापा तो दिखेंगे नहीं, आप दिखोगे. तो आप अगर अपने आप को देखते हो तो आप अपने आप से फेमिलियर हो तो बोलने में कोई शर्म आएगी नहीं, राइट? तो इसलिए हम मिरर प्रैक्टिसिंग इज द बेस्ट वे ऑफ प्रैक्टिसिंग एनीथिंग. आप स्पीकिंग भी कर रहे हो, इफ यू आर स्पीकिंग इन इंग्लिश you can practice in front of mirror. If you're introducing yourself, you can practice in front of mirror. कुछ भी कर रहे हो speaking का, then you can practice in front of mirror. Mirror practicing is the best method. Now, practicing your self introduction in front of mirror is one of the most effective ways to build confidence. So mirror practicing builds your confidence. Okay, when you stand in front of a mirror, you can see your facial expressions, eye contact and body language. तो when you stand in front of mirror, जब आप मिरर के सामने खड़े होते हैं तो आपको दिख रहा है कि आई कांटेक्ट है आपके बीच में. वही आपको दूसरे के सामने करना है. मतलब अगर आप मिरर के सामने अपने आप के सामने आई कांटेक्ट रख रहे हैं तो आपको अपने पेरेंट्स के सामने, फैमिली मेंबर्स, फ्रेंड्स, सोशल, हर जगह आपको आई कांटेक्ट रखना है. ये पहला रूल है, आई कांटेक्ट व्हाइल इंट्रोड्यूसिंग योरसेल्फ. सेकंड थिंग क्या है? योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस. Yeah, my name is Aniket Singh. I am 14 years old. Anything would work. So, आपको facial expressions अपने देखने हैं and then you need to practice it again and again. उससे क्या होगा? आपके naturally निकलेगा. You can naturally speak. You can naturally introduce yourself in front of anyone, everyone. Even कोई animal भी दिखे उसके सामने भी आप introduce करने से नहीं डरोगे. शेर आ रहा आपको खाने, माई नेम इज अनिकेत सिंह. आगे बढ़ते हैं. बॉडी लैंग्वेज. क्या? बॉडी लैंग्वेज बहुत आसान सी चीज है. बॉडी लैंग्वेज क्या होता है? दैट इज बॉडी लैंग्वेज. ओके, while speaking. अब what you need to do while mirror practicing? Try to smile, stand straight, body posture should be straight, speak clearly with confidence as if you are talking to a real person. You are talking to a real person, but वो मिरर है. तो आपको बस स्माइल करना है, स्ट्रेट खड़े रहना है, and you need to speak with confidence as if you are talking to a real person. Okay, speak clearly. This helps you become more comfortable and reduces nervousness over time. तो आपका nervousness गिराएगा. It will make you more comfortable with introducing yourself. हम अभी क्या practice कर रहे हैं? We are introducing ourselves because it is the main aspect. Greetings and introducing yourself is the main aspect of starting an English conversation. If you are going, good morning sir, I am Aniket Singh, I am 14 years old, I love drawing and etc. ठीक है? When you introduce yourself, you start a conversation, a small conversation, and that will help you in communicating with anyone. Okay? Make it a daily habit. क्या करना है? Consistency. You need to be consistent. You need to make it a daily habit. You need to practice speaking. Introduce yourself daily. Why you need to practice daily? Let's see. In front of the mirror for a few minutes, repeat your introduction 3 to 4 times. For a few minutes, you need to repeat your introduction 3 to 4 times. What will it help you? Let's check out. Focus on improving one thing each time. Focus on improving one thing each time. First, you have been introducing yourself like this. Get straight, then try to smile, be a little confident, like your voice, clarity, confidence. Okay, so you need to increase your voice, reduce your voice, then you can practice your clarity, how clear you are, okay, in front of yourself. If I'm speaking to you, you can understand me, right? That is what is clarity. आप मेरे को समझ पा रहे हैं. तो आप किसी से इंट्रोड्यूस करने जाएंगे, आप किसी के सामने अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे तो क्या चाहिए? क्लैरिटी चाहिए. समझ में आया? That's what is clarity. Confidence is the main thing. Eye contact, ये सब होना चाहिए for confidence. Okay. Don't worry about mistakes. You don't need to worry about mistakes because just keep practicing. Mistakes are the best thing to practice English, because if you don't make mistakes you won't learn. ठीक है, तो मिस्टेक्स हो रहे हैं, होने दीजिए, कोई बात नहीं, धीरे धीरे अपग्रेड होगा, एक बार में तो फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश निकलेगी नहीं. ओके, just keep practicing and correcting yourself. Slowly you will notice that you feel more natural and confident while introducing yourself in front of others. तो when you start practicing mirror practicing, आप धीरे धीरे अपने आप से बात करते हैं, फिर वो धीरे धीरे others में convert है. Others means your family members, friends, socially. So every person is in others. So when you start speaking mirror practicing, you are speaking with yourself, and when you are speaking with yourself, then you are practicing introduction. And if you are practicing introduction in yourself, when you slowly practice daily with consistency 3 to 4 times daily for a few minutes, then you will become more natural and confident while introducing yourself. Okay, let's move on with the second practicing tip. The second practicing tip is write speak method. This is also great method, writing and speaking method. Now what is this method? First, write your introduction. What do you need to do? You need to write your introduction on a diary, notebook, wherever you want. Second thing, then speak it without looking. First you can look at it, you can write it, you can introduce yourself while reading that, and then you need to remove it, keep it aside, and then speak it without looking. You don't need to remember it, you can just naturally in flow you can communicate while looking at the mirror. You can add this step and the previous one, the mirror practicing and this step. So first you write it, then you hold it, read it and speak in front of mirror or in front of wall, whatever matters, doesn't matter. Then speak it without looking. Then you need to keep that diary or notebook aside, and then what do you need to do? You need to speak it without looking at the diary in front of mirror. Better practice. Okay, second, slowly stop depending on the written version. Then leave the written version. मुझे मतलब नहीं है written version से. I can speak by myself. Okay, easy. Speaking, introducing yourself is really easy if you keep consistently practicing. Okay. Then last tip, time-based practice. Time-based practice. What is time-based practice? बहुत आसान सी चीज है. Time-based practice means practice in different time limits. Practice in different time limits. But क्या एक ही दिन में? Yes, you can do that. You can practice for 15 seconds. Then right after that you can practice for 30 seconds. Right after that 1 minute, 2 minutes. But आप एक एक दिन का भी gap दे सकते हैं. मतलब first day 15 seconds of introduction. Second day 30 seconds of introduction. Third day 1 minute of introduction. Fourth day 2 minutes, 5 minutes. You can introduce like that. Okay. So ये थे practicing tips. Last part में आते हैं. What is our last part? Our last part is full introduction. Now we are going to talk about our full introduction. ठीक है, बिल्कुल स्टार्टिंग से करेंगे. Basic lines. Now this is a great question for you. Comment down below what are basic lines, and you need to write a short introduction about yourself. Like my name is Dash, I am Dash years old, or people call me Dash. Anything would work. Then I like to your hobby. Then I am a confident person and much more. ऐसे आपको अपने आप को बेसिक लाइंस पे इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. सिर्फ बेसिक लाइंस में. मैंने थोड़े एडवांस भी एडिंग डिटेल्स वाला पार्ट बता दिया, लेकिन यू कैन इंट्रोड्यूस फर्स्ट इन बेसिक लाइंस बिकॉज यू आर अ बिगिनर. Second, adding details. Then you add your details, your hobby, your adding details in your hobby, your school details, and your personality. These things you can add in your introduction. It's very basic, really easy. And if you start practicing these basic lines, then the adding details, when you add details in those basic lines, you will start introducing yourself naturally without translating. That is what our main target is. Then practice. This is the most important thing in these three parts. In these three parts, the last part, practicing, because without practicing you can't do anything, any work other than English. Anything other than English, if I talk about cycling, drawing, writing, reading, you need practice in everything, every aspect, not only speaking. Okay, so if you want to introduce yourself, you need to practice. Doing this all together would improve your introduction skills. You can also add some more lines to look more professional and familiar to the language. So if you want to add more lines, then you can add your own lines to look more professional, more native to English. And our last tip and very basic tip, practice daily, improve daily. So if you practice daily, you will improve daily, even 1% improvement. If you are speaking today, if you are speaking without clarity, the next day you need to speak with clarity, then with confidence, then you need to add some new lines, then you need to practice again, then you need to improve your time limit. धीरे धीरे practice हो. Okay, easy. Khatam. Day 3 is finished. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay updated with our new latest videos. If you have any queries related to day 3 or any other parts, you can comment down below. We will work on it with you, because our target is to teach you how to speak English fluently without translating from your native language. Varna Aniket ja raha hai, Aniket is going, will take your time. Okay, we will meet in our next part, day 4, and we'll meet in our many other videos, many other lectures where we will discuss about spoken English, grammar, reading, writing, and much more. We'll meet in the next part. Till then, namaskar.